Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do acrylic nails. I already cut these down. They were extremely long and they were getting in my way, so all I'm going to do is file them and fill them in, and then I'm going to paint them. And it's fairly easy. You can save a lot of money, so all you're going to need is buy one of these little kiss kits and have your acrylic powder, your acrylic primer, and a little bowl. Of course, you're going to have some files. Oh, and a little brush. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and file these. I'm going to file the color off and shape them. Okay, so you guys basically get the gist of it. That's the shape I'm going for. And I'm not going to go through each individual nail, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this and see how you fill it, and then, you know, paint it and all that. So now that I basically got everything filed and shaped, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prime my nails. And if you can see, it's like sparkly acrylic and then it's regular acrylic, just because whenever I went to go get it filled last time, they didn't have sparkly acrylic. So, whatever. The nail polish covered it up. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour some of this acrylic liquid in here. So you're going to take your acrylic powder and open this up. Dip your brush in here. Dip it in there. And basically just fill in the gap. See? Okay, so now that they're basically filled, I'm going to go ahead and file them one more time and get the shape better, and then paint them, and we're done. Okay, so what you're going to do is basically just file them smooth.
He bathes me until I forget their names and faces. I ask him to look me in the eye when I come home. Why do you deny yourself heaven? Why do you consider yourself undeserving? Why are you afraid of love? You think it's not possible for
Okay, so I've already started painting the top coat. I'm going to go with this for a majority of my nails. I already painted it on my pinky. And then I'm going with this one for like the accent ring finger. So yeah. So this is just like a little shimmery top coat, kind of, sort of. This is Pure Ice. This is Beware. This one's Pure Ice, and this one is Don't You Wish. And my base color is Cosmetic Arts and Lavender Lady. Okay, so this is going to be my accent now. Isn't that so pretty? And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my nails and I'll be back. Or if you're ghetto, you can always wait until your nail polish fully dries and just like scrape it off. Well, thank you guys for joining me with this little nail tutorial. My nails are done. I like how they turned out, and I saved a good $30, and that's all that matters. It's been a long day. I'm wearing the same, well, I'm not wearing the same clothes, but I'm still like, basically, I filmed 2 videos today, so I'm trying to get more videos on my channel, and hopefully you guys like it. But I'm going to sleep. It's literally like 2:30 in the morning, and I have to get up early and do some things. But I love you guys. Mwah. Good night.